What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Out on a little weekend cruise up the coast. It should be nice. We've got some it's perfect weather, really. It's cloudy, it's not too hot, it's perfect. Good day for a ride. You've got the new exhaust on the Yamaha FZ6 Fazer. I'm really enjoying it. It is a little bit loud, but it's fun, isn't it? That's the point. I can always put the original back on. This is just a little makeshift one that I made myself for very cheap. So I wanted something a bit more fun. It's a bit busy. I do like a GS. Guessing the bus is stopping, no indication, classic. And there's a coach. Why the fuck is there a coach? I used to have a loud car. I used to have a like a Larry VW up that was you know, this classic chavvy 1 litre car, lowered straight pipe exhaust, you know, normal shit, very loud and going very slow. This exhaust is no different. She's loud, I will admit, she is loud. This is with a baffle in at like what, 2,000, 3,000 RPM, the baffle in, she's still loud. Hope you're all doing well. I can't believe we're coming towards the end of August. It's actually unbelievable. It's almost a crime how fast the summer's gone. Yard sale. Loot. These corners do scare me a little bit, I'm not going to lie, they are quite steep. This one's quite big. This one I brake through because it's fucking steep as fuck, it's like a U-turn. Tides in as well, wonderful. Look at that. What a view. Stayed here the other night in our camper van. It's well nice. Nice place. Loads of nice pubs. The breeze on my armpits is very nice as well. It's such a beautiful day, I'm loving it. I could ride like this for fucking ever, because you didn't have to go anywhere, you know? Like, you just keep going and it don't matter. I'm gonna kick this in a minute if I overtake. Oh fuck, there's a car. Yeah, I'm loving the exhaust. It's just like a different bike. I feel like I'm riding a sports bike now instead of a fucking granddad bike. It's weird. But I don't even have to look at it. I love the sound, I love the feel. Just, oh. I've read mixed reviews about the Fazer. I think if you put an exhaust on it, you'll fucking love it, no matter what. But everyone's like, oh, it's heavy and it's shit on fuel. It's not. Yeah, it's quite heavy, but all bikes are fucking heavy. Like big bikes, you know, 600 up, you're gonna fucking know about it. They do just weigh a lot. I'd highly recommend doing it. If you're into, you don't want to spend much, 50 quid full, it's just like full, you know, from the cap. So I've got downpipes already, stayed in the same place. I kept the cap, and then I linked after the cap straight up out, basically. I actually put a baffle in, which cost me like 3 quid or whatever on eBay, but it would have been outrageously loud straight pipe otherwise, and I don't want that. Mine's like, it's just loud enough now where it kind of, I can hear it just when I'm riding the speed, 44 or whatever it is, 43 mile an hour. You can just about hear it, and I'm at 4,000 RPM. Like, you get on the gas, yeah, you'll hear it, but that's what you want. Before I couldn't, it was just my engine noise, and I could hear like individual rocks hitting my fucking downpipes. It's like, you don't want that. Stupid. Yeah, Yamaha fucking spent a long time fucking designing the exhaust to make it like exactly perfect for it and whatever. But fuck them. They did it for the wrong reasons. I can put mine back on. It takes me about, I reckon it would take me less than 20 minutes to swap my exhaust system completely back to stock, full stock. Oh, sorry brother. He was already dead, but oh my god. Oh, I got leg cramp in my right leg. It's always my right fucking leg, man. I don't know why that is.